So, for our last problem sa quadratic equation, two engineering students are solving a problem leading to a quadratic equation. One student made a mistake in the coefficient of the first degree term, got roots of 2 and negative 3. The other student made a mistake in the coefficient of the constant term, got roots of negative 1 and 4. What is the correct equation? So, application na to ng quadratic equations, guys, na winordered problems. So, paano nga ba sinusolve yung mga ganito? So, sabihin na lang natin na let the ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 be the correct equation. Okay. So, ito yung natin, assumption. So for the first student, lagyan natin dito, first student. Di ba nakakuha siya ng roots na x1 is equal to 2, x2 is equal to negative 3. Tama ba? Yun, negative 3. So, magiging x minus 2, x plus 3 siya, equals 0. So, magiging x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Yan yung equation na nagawa ng first student. Kaso, ang sabi kasi, made a mistake in the coefficient of the first degree term. Ano ba yung first degree term? Bali itong, di ba itong b, itong sa b niya. Di ba yung a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, base dito, c is equal to negative 6. So, ito kasi second degree to, kasi squared na yung exponent mo. So, ito yung first degree term, yung gitna. So, since yan lang naman yung nagkamali, bali, ang sabi kasi, in the coefficient first, dito lang naman nagkamali. So, hindi natin, i-x natin to. Ito lang i-adapt natin. So, tama yan. Tama na pala yung coefficient ng second degree term at nung constant natin. So, ito lang mali. So, kinorek natin siya. So, ang kailangan na lang natin hanapin, yung middle term. Pero, di ba, meron pang, yung second student. Yung second student to, nakakuha siya ng roots na negative 1 tsaka 4. So, x plus 1, x minus 4 equals 0. So, magiging x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Sorry. Sabi naman dito, made in the, hanapin mo natin yung a niya is 1, b is equal to negative 3, c is equal to negative 4. Sabi naman dito, the other student, yung second student daw, made a mistake in the coefficient of constant term. So, mali. Ito tama. Dito lang siya nagkamali. So, ano ba yung correct equation yan? So, diba? So, let ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Correct equation. Tapos, ayon dito sa mga students, ang A daw niya is 1. Kasi tama, both are correct. Kita niyo naman, guys, di ba? Tapos, ito yung i-adapt natin kasi ito ay wrong. Ito ay correct. So, adapt natin tong b is equal to negative 3. Tapos, ito, correct. Ito base dito wrong. So, C natin is negative 6. So, ang correct equation natin is x squared minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Correct. Quadratic equation. So, I believe sa choices, ito siya. So, ganyan lang siya. So, guys. And guys, for more engineering topics, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon para updated tayo sa mga next videos natin. So, maraming salamat sa suporta, guys. So, for the malapit ng CLE board exam, sana nakakatulong tong mga pasolve-solve natin ng ganito sa maaaring lumabas sa inyong board exam. So, for our next topic, so hintayin natin yung next video ko. So, yun, padayon, engineers.